Kani kediga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Sembut Menteri Rangba jong jela uba Preston tensong haka arpulai dari ujung arjar arpau ula pa yu kerwok ngolem syaki bahayeng sem jong ba various star noksit ubalong executive editor jong kakot kubur kenjat chai ublah klat no nangani selapar thai haka arpu atrik mentau bena jembang arjar arpau haka jinga krem bikila pathai kubur ba Preston loong bau ba noksit udai nong thok kubur bela no senyang sikat dai syaki imlang salang ling ba kilat pathai kubur ki bawla syakri ling ba kakot kubur maupor bat nangta kum editor jong kakot kubur upet ngor ban kum editor jong kakot kubur kenjat syai
adin menyo jingtip menem step ya jing klat no way uperlok jongi nakaliang jong media badai ru executive editor jong ka kenjat syai iba ngyo jingtip menem step ya jing klat no jongi de nakaliang jong ka sarkar ngipa ya jing ngolem ya ka yeng ka sem ka jongi baro bat ngingej kem moblei ai hai ke jingjat hat ka ba junom ka ba bom jukut bat ngi kermen skemu ba blei undon kat bat ka yeng ka sem ha ke jing klat no unuru rang ba ubla syakri ya ka ni ka kam ka jong u na ka benta ban ai ke jing tip syaki paj ba no sok snong jok jela jongi bro ka wei
hakini kejuk sengi nak liang jadi dekat ke Shillong Press Club kila pelong ke jing lang ngolem halor ke jing klat no jong pa nong siet ha Shillong Press Club ha ka baki lapen pau ka jing song si ka bakrao halor ka jing klat no chong ne parlok nong thok khobor ba various star nong si
I would like to throw this to the house. I'm sure if somebody would have some fond memories of the man that he was. We from the Shillong Press Club we have arranged the coffin, the entire casket, the cross, everything. It's been made by one of our former members, Michael, who was with several news channels, the last being Batisi TV. He's made a lovely casket. It will be delivered today. And I've also organized some dry rations, some rice, some dal, some oil, some potatoes, some tea leaves, some sugar, and biscuits and all of that, which one bar of will be going to some members who can go with him to give to the family, because they're going through a troubled time already, hospital bill and everything, you can well understand. So even if they say they don't need, I know they need. So it doesn't hurt, they don't need to use it all now, use it in subsequent coming days. The idea is to stand by them in whatever way we can, in our own humble way. So that will be done. The Chief Minister has also sent his condolence message, as well as the leader of the opposition. And we have also organized a wreath on behalf of the Shillong Press Club, which will be given to the family today, so that it will be put at the graveyard. And once the lockdown thing comes over, then I think it will be nice if we can all go together as a family and pay our respects and say our final goodbye to him at the cemetery. Now, of course, I doubt if there are provisions. I think it's only 20 people or something, like 20, 30 people, maybe family and all of that. But I'm sure some who can make it, please do so. But again, I urge upon all members to maintain these safety protocols, because we need to share somebody's grief, but at the same time, we also need to be very extra careful and look after oneself.